Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Scholarite Media. In the previous video, we had discussed about the inner HTML tag that we can use to display something on the browser. In this video, we will discuss more such methods using which we can display content on the browser through the HTML by writing simple JavaScript. One such method is a document.write function. As we have discussed in the previous videos, document is an object that we use to write certain JavaScripts, and document object comes with a lot of functions. One such function is write. Using write, we can display content on the browser. I'll show you how it's done using this simple example. As you can see on the screen, I have written the basic HTML code, and within the script tag we will write basic JavaScript. Let me write document object. This is how you write a document object, followed by a dot. And as you can see, these are the number of functions that are present in the document object. Let us not go into depth about it. One such function that we need is write. This will basically accept a character kind of value, which will be then displayed on the screen. So let me add some basic values here. I'm going to save this and run this on port 5500. As you can see on the screen, the sentence that we had mentioned in the write function is being displayed on the screen. Moving to the next method using which you can display something on the browser is by using alert functions. Like we have a document object, we also have a window object. Window object is completely run on the browser. It is associated to the browser. Whenever you write code with window object, it is run only on the browser. You cannot run it elsewhere apart from the browser. So there is a method called alert which will accept characterized values. Let me remove the previous method and write a sentence here. I'm going to save this and let us see what is being displayed on the browser. Let me go back to the browser. I'm refreshing the browser. You can see a pop-up window is being displayed on the browser with our message that we had entered. This is its basic functionality. Alert displays a pop-up window. As I already said, that window object is part of the browser, and since it is part of the browser, its functionality is global. The meaning of global is it can be accessed anywhere within the program. So in this particular script, it's okay to ignore the window key. Since window object is globally available on the browser is just going to understand the keyword alert. If you go back to a browser and refresh it, you can still see the alert. These methods are basically used to display content on the browser. But while debugging your code or while writing your code, you can test your values that are being displayed on the browser using certain functions. One such function is a console.log. Here console is the object and log is the function which accepts a characterized value. So let me go ahead and mention something here. As I already mentioned, that this output is not going to be displayed on the screen or on the browser, but this could be seen on the debugging tools of the browser. Let me show you where it's available on the screen. Refresh our screen. You can see that there is nothing displayed on the screen. But when you go to inspect, these are the debugging tools which your browser provides. You can see there is a tab called console. And you can see your data is being logged here. So this is where your console.log outputs the value. So you can use console.log during debugging or during checking certain values within your code to make sure that you are doing the right stuff with the values. These are the basic methodologies or functions that you can use to display content on the browser and also on the debugging tools. There are n number of such methods that you can use to display content and beautify content. We will study them on step-to-step basis. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If there are any suggestions that you would like to share, you could provide that in the comment box. Thank you.